Here we are again. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Trigger 3 2020 model year. Built for big days in the big mountains, the Trigger is pure, full-throttle descending goodness served up with a side of serious all-day pedalability. This bike equipped with a trigger frame, and reliable fork Fox Float Rhythm 34. And SRAM NX Eagle high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT500 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Trigger 3 equipped with good tires, Maxxis Minion DHF 27.5 by 2.5 front. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.